This is the Kopelia airfield. The Dwros, the naked pilot, he was in the swimming pool. We take urgent to fly. No t-shirt, too much hot in Cyprus. Under the sunshine, some extreme 3D with the diabolic Venezuela airplane. Look at him, it's not simulator, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mr. Dwros from United Villages of Psimolofou district. Dwros, the straight, naked, brushless pilot, hairless pilot. Extreme hovering against the air, the wind. The Spider-Man aircraft, diabolic Venezuela Nosferatu airplane. Torque roll from Mr. Dwros. Mr. Jordan is talking to the phone.
Yes, yes.
Yes, it's true. It's very true. Some stick movements from Mr. Dwros, the naked, hairless, wow, pilot. Yes, this is hovering with the diabolic αναθεματισμένων αεροπλάνων, σατανικών αεροπλάνων, sponsored by Panos Graphics. Yes, tonight we put some good music in the YouTube. Mr. Dwros, okay, hear me? Okay. 1 minute, action. Yes, it's true. Where is the plane? I don't see the plane. Ah, yes, here is the plane. Diesel engine. Yes. Inverted flying from Mr. Dwros, United Villages of Psimolofou district. He was in the swimming pool. We bring here with force. You can see the copper tone. This is nipples. Where is Mr. Dwros? He's very far away, but he's coming inverted. The wheels are up. The body is below. Yes, it's true. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, like a bird. Κάμα σε φινιζιά να σου λίγαινες να πελάνουν ποτέ. Mr. Dwros, he stopped, crashed the plane. Now he's 3D master, 3D monster. 267 kilometers wind velocity, but Dwros is flying. The careless, brushless, coreless, windless, timeless, sleepless, eatless, tireless, brushless, nevertheless, wireless Bluetooth pilot, Mr. Dwros. Yes, inverted. Γύρισα η κάμερα ανάποδα. 3D landing and take off again. Very dangerous for the neighbor pilot. Yes, it's true. Signoro Doro di Psimolofici Viliaco Aeroplanici Diabolissimo Diabolissimo Aeroplanici Attimo Collo Signorita under the extreme hot sun of Cyprus. Mr. George, the upgrade arrived. Yes, this is extreme 3D maneuver. Monsieur Dwros, the United Village of Psimolofou. Aqua Rubinetto, Fontana de Soto. Mr. Dwros, the careless pilot. Savas, no gloves. Mr. Katsuromalis, curly hair. Savas from England. 1 minute, I will be back. Yes, the sexy pilot Dwros, directly from swimming pool. The naked pilot. He is not shame. He fly naked. He don't care. Yes, 15-year bodybuilding. Yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. One fly sit on the camera, but we don't care. We don't afraid. And one extreme landing. Yes, the kangaroo airplane. Mr. Dwros, congratulations from Cyprus Aeromodelism, France.
Sir, mate.
Mr. Savas came to see you. Mr. George, Mr. Katsuromalis came for you. Thank you, thank you.